Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to show you how to get a wedding loan through Upstart in 2025. So if you're planning a wedding and need extra funds, Upstart offers personal loans that can help you cover those expenses. Now, here's how to get the loan. The first thing you got to do is to calculate your wedding budget. So estimate costs for venues, catering, attire, photography, and decorations. Once you've estimated those costs and you know exactly how much it's going to cost, you want to apply for a loan amount that covers what you can't pay out of pocket. So if it's 10,000, 100,000 for the entire wedding, and you have like 50, so you want to make sure that you apply for 50. So next is going to be to check your loan rate. So use Upstart's pre-qualification to check potential rates, and you can compare the APR and payment terms with other financing options just to see which offers you the best. And next, you're going to apply for a loan. So provide proof of income, employment verification, and identity documents. And next, you're going to choose a repayment term that fits your financial situation. Next to do is to use the funds for wedding expenses. So the loan was going to be deposited into your bank account in as little as one business day, and you can pay vendors directly to secure discounts for upfront payments if available. The final thing to note is to stick to your repayment plan. So you want to set up automatic payments on Upstart, just so you can avoid missed payments. You also want to consider paying off the loan early because that's going to help you to reduce interest costs. That's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.